What's the meaning of bigwig? Bigwig. Bigwig.
Bigwig. Bigwig. In English, bigwig is a colloquial term used to describe someone who holds an important position, is highly influential or has a great deal of power. In general, it refers to individuals who hold a significant amount of authority or who are highly respected in their field or industry. The term is often used in business settings to describe high-ranking executives or CEOs who are considered to be top dogs within their company. It can also be used in political or social contexts to describe individuals who have a lot of sway within their respective spheres of influence. Ultimately, a bigwig is someone who is seen as a major player and commands a great deal of respect and admiration from others.